Now let's learn extend command in AutoCAD. Extend is the opposite of trim. Trim cuts extra parts, and extend makes lines longer to reach a boundary. Okay, draw a line, a long horizontal line for command line for shortcut. Type L, press enter, click here, and a long horizontal line for I'm going to click this point, press enter. And then draw a short vertical line for press enter, click here, and again vertical for click this point, press enter. Extend command for shortcut EX, type EX, press enter, and press enter again, and click on the vertical line. It will extend until it reaches and touch the horizontal line, this horizontal line. So I'm going to click short vertical line. Okay, press enter. Trim and extend work the same way. Getting for trim command TR, enter, and extend for EX, press enter. Okay, see you.